Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are okay. So we thank God for this wonderful and fruitful day that He has given to us. If you are watching right now, may I remind you to please click the button like and subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends. Today, we're going to discuss a very interesting and relevant topic. It is called geography. And I know this is not the first time that you have encountered this topic and you have already prior knowledge about it. But I hope in today's lesson, I may be able to give you fresh understanding and insight about geography. So what are the objectives for our today's lesson? So first, to identify the different concepts and scope related to geography. Second, to analyze the fundamental branches of geography which can affect our way of life. Alright, so you have to settle down and pay your attention now. If I'm going to ask you, what is geography? So when we say geography, it is actually part or one discipline of the social science which actually deals with the distribution and the arrangement of all the elements in the Earth's surface. No? So we're talking about landforms, if we're talking about the water forms, the natural resources, which include the flora, these are the plants, and then the fauna, these are the animals, and also how human beings use and develop and interact with the environment. So these are actually related or the concerns of geography. The word geography originated in Greece, in 200 BC. And it was conceptualized by a popular Greek philosopher and also astronomer, Eratosthenes. So this word came from two Greek words. The first one is geo, which means the earth. And the second one is graphia, which means description. So, a simple explanation of geography is about the description of the earth. So, this is the pictures and the physical characteristic and description of the earth. So, that is what geography is all about. So, if I'm going to ask you, how do you describe the person seated beside you? So what are the physical features or characteristics of the person seated beside you? So leave your comment or write your comment on the comment box. To move further, what are the scope of geography? So, geography encompasses the environment of the Earth's surface and the relationship of human to this environment, which include both physical and cultural geographic features. So, like I said a while ago, when we talk about physical geographic features, we're talking about the landforms, the water forms, the weather, the natural resources. So those are the main concern of physical geographic features. On the other hand, when we talk about cultural geographic features, this is actually referring to the product of human technology or human ingenuity. So how human being develop the natural resources and how human being interacts with its environment, okay, this is what we call cultural geographic features. Okay? Now, to move further, what are the branches of geography? Actually, there are two fundamental branches of geography. No? The first one is the systematic geography. When we say systematic geography, it is concerned with the individual physical and cultural elements of the earth. So everything that we see on the surface and inside the earth are actually part of this systematic geography. Okay? Let's say, how tall is Mount Everest? How wide is the plain of Luzon? Or how vast is the plain of Luzon? And also, how colorful is the tradition of the Filipinos or other people in the world, other countries, are actually part of the systematic geography. Alright? Now, to give you a question, alright, what are the popular landforms and waterforms that you knew? Okay? Please write your answers in the comment box. So may I repeat, what are the popular landforms and waterforms that you knew? Okay, so please write your answers on the comment box section. Okay, now the other or the second branch of geography is the regional geography. So when we say regional geography, it is actually concerned with various areas of Earth, particularly the unique combination of physical and cultural features that characterize each region and distinguish one region from another. So what makes Philippines unique from the other countries? So what are the natural resources that can only be found in the Philippines? What are the unique traditions and culture of Filipino peoples? These are actually the main concern of regional geography. So it talks about what particular uniqueness of one region as compared to another region. Or by simply saying, what makes a particular people or country different from the rest. So that is the main concern of regional geography. Now I'm going to ask you again, what do you think makes Filipinos unique from other nations? May I repeat the question? What do you think makes Filipinos unique from other nations? So leave your answer on the comment box section. Okay? So, geography in our present time, okay, is one of the main concern of countries in the world. There are different conflicts, and wars that had happened, and those are related to geography. There are different disasters that are actually happening in the world that are related to geography. In the Philippines, because our country is part of what we call the Ring of Fire, that's why we tend to experience different disasters o kaya earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, And these are part of geography. We are also in the typhoon belt in the Pacific. That's why we experience different typhoons every year. So that is also related to the concern of geography. So geography is very important because it actually affects our way of life. If we use the knowledge or the principle of geography in a positive way, we can actually improve our life, no? But if we abuse and misuse the principles of this geography, we can also create problem which can endanger our loved ones, our lives, and also it can take away our shall we call this, our properties, no, our source of living. That is why today, as we close this discussion, let me just give you or leave you with this question. Okay? In what way you can contribute to the development of geography? In what way can you contribute to the development of the study of geography? So may I repeat for the last time, in what way you can contribute to the development of the study of geography? So you just leave your answer in the comment box, or you send your answer on the following platforms that I am now flashing on my screen. So thank you very much and God bless you all.